So Stephanie got us on the Ron metro, and so we're in Berlin. This is our second day. Yesterday we didn't do anything, and this is her with her "Sorry, I got us lost" face. And yeah. Okay, we made it. So we're at the East Side Mall because we need to buy some toiletries, and pharmacies here for some reason are not very common. Say hey. That's us being really cold, by the way. It's literally, it's so freezing.
Okay.
Steph and I survived our mall trip, and we
For the second time.
H&M is like,
we love it out here.
But we went to this little convenience store because it's such a pain in the ass to find toiletries here, guys.
It was like a CVS. It's exactly what it was.
It's just like, it's called
They have it all.
Moulier. I'm not sure. But we're in the East Side Gallery. Okay, girl. And we're gonna go look at what's left of the Berlin Wall. We're gonna go to a museum too. So this is it. Well, not this is it, but this is East Side Gallery, and we'll come across the wall in a moment. Sorry I sound muffled, but it is so cold. This is East Side Gallery. This is what's left of the Berlin Wall. It was made into an art project, a mural. So crazy. Mercedes-Benz Arena. And this is East Side Gallery. Berlin Wall continues there. The comment is I got a falafel box, and Steph is getting some, where is she? Can you see my finger? Some currywurst up there. And I'm not sure where we are. It's at this small restaurant near East Gallery. So I'm excited to try this. I love falafel. Can't wait to try currywurst. We got it. Steph, are you excited?
Too excited.
So excited. We are walking to Checkpoint Charlie. I think we're going the right way.
Yeah.
And we just got off this. We've been riding the train all day. We feel like level A experts, and Berlin is the shit.
Multiple leggings, multiple layers. I'm wearing a fucking dress. I'm trying to kill myself, but it's not that bad.
I'm like a personal videographer. But we're ready for New Year's.
We are ready.
We're off the mall, looking for some food, see what we find last minute. Steph and I are catching some New Year's dinner, and then we're gonna go to the East Side Gallery. So we're dressed like East Side Gallery. I'm wearing those reflective pants right now, like doing the most. So I need to feel in my zone. But yeah, so we're waiting for some pizza, and we're so excited to ring in the new year in Berlin. Steph and I decided to start our day today. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, what a
right on
morning
time.
it is.
What a beautiful morning it is. Yesterday we opted to stay in because we felt vulnerable since we got so fucked up the night before for New Year's Eve. Vulnerability.
Dog.
But here we are, and we're gonna go to this place called Burgermeister. And it's supposed, I had already seen it on Instagram. Yeah, we've had burgers like every day. We ordered burgers in yesterday. I saw it on Instagram, but I saw it today on the website for like the top 50 restaurants. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have my phone because I refuse to carry around my big ass camera this time around. I don't know why, don't ask me, but this feels great. Nice. Okay, so we got our Burgermeister. And this, which I happen to like. This is my second one. And thanks to Steph for getting it for us because my social anxiety does not let... It's quite literally very dark. So you can't see us, but that's the Reichstag building. And we came here at night because clearly we don't ever wake up on time to do tourist stuff during the day, and I like it more at night because the building looks a lot more beautiful and there's no one here, so taking pictures is not a problem. We went to Burgermeister, you guys saw that, and so we're gonna take our talents to another restaurant and stuff our face some more and have another beer. And tonight's our last night here in Berlin. And then we leave back to Paris for a day, and then we're in Paris for a day, and then we go to London for a day, and we get back to the motherland after that. So we are so excited to enjoy our final hours here and make up for yesterday's hangover day. We made it to the Brandenburg gate. Isn't this amazing? Look how beautiful it is. Steph and I have resurrected from the dead, and we are going to go to the catacombs. And we are here until tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll go to like do some last minute shopping, and Oh my, I thought it was 6. You said 6.
Yeah, but it's just because of the riots.
Now we've decided to go have dinner to make up for it, and we've never been here before, so it kind of works out. So Kathy saved the day again. And since we are fatter than you can imagine, these are spring rolls, gyozas, no pork. I'm not eating pork anymore.
That's funny.
One more for good luck. We made it to the catacombs. I don't know if you can see us, but we finally made it. And now we have to go on a very long walk down with no oxygen. And we have asthma. So.
You're about to lose me. Just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like that.
We have a few hours here, and we were at the catacombs, and now we made it to the Lovelock Bridge, although you're not allowed, from what I remember, to put them because there's too much weight on them. But look at the view. You have the Louvre over there in that area. I don't know if you can see it from here, probably not. Look how nice this is, guys. We made it to Jardin des Tuileries, and it was honestly by mistake. We were just walking. We've been walking from the Catacombes to Galleries Lafayette, and it made us go through here, and I'm so glad we're here. I wasn't here last time, so it's nice that, yeah, look how nice this looks. So you have Arc de Triomphe right over there. It was soft. We've been watching this roller coaster they have over there, and they finally came down, but we thought it was going to be an abrupt fall. And you have the Louvre over there. Steph is still in shock.
You're just standing in the middle of like 4 corners of beauty.
I hope I could compile a great video with iPhone videos. I found a fair on our way to Galleries Lafayette, And it's, you know, needless to say, we got all our gifts here, and Steph has like truffle cheese in there, and we have macaroons for the house. Update, still here. You have the Eiffel Tower over there. I don't know if you could see it. Right there. Oh my gosh. So Steph and I have been dying to try aligot, and we finally found it. So it's basically like cheesy potatoes. Oh, you can add sausage to it, but I don't want to add sausage. I just wanted just potato. And I'm so excited. Wow. Steph and I made it to London, so we're gonna get our bags, and we have a friend here, and we're gonna get picked up, and we're gonna go see what we can in the 15 hours we're here. And it's really not 15 because we have to sleep, so it's all of like 8 hours.